Behold the Himalayas, a testament to Earth's splendor over ages. As civilizations rise, the precious Amazon faces unseen perils. The Amazon rainforest, brimming with life, anchors our planet's biodiversity. Sadly, its expanse shrinks, victim to clandestine logging and expanding farms. In Antarctica's cold reach, seals bask on ice floes. Nearby, solemn whales witness the glacier's rapid melt. Unique mountain species ascend the Himalayas, away from perils below. In the Andes, another species climbs, resilient against climate adversity. Fade in. Camera pans across the vast Arctic expanses. The polar bear is threatened by warming climates and human exploitation. We begin our voyage in the Amazon, Earth's largest rainforest teeming with life. Ascending to the Himalayas, the roof of the world stands in silent majesty. Our journey concludes in the Arctic, witnessing the solemn beauty of its icy domain. The journey begins amidst the symphony of the lush Amazon, where the air itself seems alive with vitality. Every breath is heavy with the scent of earth and growth, as nature thrives unfettered. A serene whisper follows where the stoic Antarctic ice fields speak in creaks and groans. The silent giants shift, displaying the power of stillness in contrast to the jungle's vibrance. Ascending further, the sky becomes graspable atop the imposing Himalayan peaks. Descending, the journey is concluded on the Arctic tundra, where winds whisper tales of resilience. As our journey comes to an end, we reflect on the paths we've taken. An aerial panorama showcases an endless sea of green, the Amazon bathed in sunlight. Expansive and alive, this cradle of biodiversity stretches across borders, teeming with life. The scientist and the local resident, gear in tow, begin their trek. They mark the terrain, noting distinct species. They move forward with determination, immersed in conservation work. Diverse species of plants fuel the forest's vibrancy. Insects buzz and crawl, a critical part of the ecosystem. Indigenous tribes live with deep respect for nature, practicing sustainability. Over the last half-century, the relentless drive for resources has laid siege to the heart of the rainforest. Chainsaws roar and trees tumble, succumbing to the rapacious appetite of illegal logging operations. The conservationists work meticulously to demarcate the new sanctuary. Later, dialogues unfold with the local community. They explore sustainable practices for forest care. Images sweep over the lush Amazon, showcasing exotic plants and vibrant wildlife. The scene calls for worldwide backing to safeguard this treasure. Embark on a journey through the heart of the Amazon, our planet's precious lung. Gone are the tropical greens, replaced by the white canvas of Antarctica. Emperor penguins conquer the ice, their waddles a dance of survival. They plunge into the abyss below, the water a testament to their grace. Seals find respite within the icy cavities, basking with minimal movements. Whales traverse the Antarctic floe, their journey highlighting the ecosystem's remarkable vitality. The team of scientists venture out across the icy landscape. Samples of the glaciers and ocean water secured, comparisons of temperature and salinity begin. With human structures visible in the distance, peers of penguins huddle on the ice's edge. Seals lounge atop icebergs while a whale breaches nearby. The scientist, shrouded in a coat, stands by the inquisitive penguin. Eyes traverse the icy expanse, acknowledging the world's fragility. Endless ice spans across Antarctica's frigid expanse. The Himalayas rise majestically, their snowy peaks touching the sky. The Andes unfold, their rough terrains narrating tales of natural wonder. A snow leopard deftly navigates the rugged landscape. A snow lotus unfurls its petals amidst stones. Wildflowers flourish in the short summer season. The snow leopard reappears, mastering the daunting high-altitude terrain. In the Andes, the locals and their camelids embark on a journey across the tough terrain. Elsewhere, tranquil alpacas offer sustenance, surrounded by the stark beauty of their native highlands. Spanning the horizon, glaciers gleam in the sun's embrace, an icy world standing still yet in subtle transition. The scientists' works, positioning sensors, their hands meticulous and steady. High above, satellites capture data, unseen eyes over a changing land. The Sherpas of the Himalayas, esteemed mountaineers, ascend the steep terrains. With vigilant steps, they serve as guardians, demonstrating an existence that exemplifies unity with nature. Next to a frozen crest, the scientist and Sherpa stand firm. The mountain's quiet majesty belies the urgency of their talk.
We must work together to protect these mountains.
Tourism and mining are taking a toll, but with combined efforts, sustainable conservation is possible. As our mountain odyssey concludes, the grandeur of nature's architecture impresses upon us. Passionate scientists share insights. The desert stretches as far as the eye can see, with towering dunes like waves on a golden ocean. A cactus stands resilient with water-storing leaves, a testament to survival in the desert. Its roots, both wide and deep, stretch through the sand, seeking any droplet from the desert's sporadic rains. The nimble desert fox rummages through the underbrush. Its keen senses on the lookout for a nocturnal feast. Desert snakes burrow swiftly, escaping the relentless sun. The cooling embrace of the earth offers a haven. The desert, a vast expanse of seemingly barren sands, holds a delicate balance of life within. The infrequent but vital rains cause a miraculous transformation, reviving the arid dunes into a flourishing desert garden. Once untouched, this desert finds itself woven with irrigation paths. In the relentless desert sun, scientists and conservationists labor intensely. Their mission to heal the wearied land and establish a future of sustainable care for this stark, yet pivotal piece of earth. As twilight adorns the desert with gold, its silence tells a hidden tale of life. The narrator's voice rings clear, advocating for the desert's ecosystem, vital for diverse beings and our Earth's balance. The descent into the deep sea begins, a realm of darkness and bone-chilling cold. Life thrives in the abyss, illuminated by bioluminescent beings and nourished by creatures unseen by the world above. Tube worms cluster tightly around the crevices of the ocean floor. Clams nestle snugly, tapping into the vent's offerings. An extraordinary life cycle unfolds, defying the need for solar energy. Far below sunlight's reach, a flashlight fish glides through dark waters. Its built-in light illuminates the abyss, a beacon in the depths. Nearby, a deep-sea jellyfish's glow signals to others in the silent watery expanse. Its bioluminescence, a defense and a call in the dark blue world. As we submerge into the ocean's depths, we encounter an explosion of color and life. The deep-sea corals render a vibrant ecosystem, adapting and thriving in the ocean's abyss. Vast nets empty, echo an overfished silence beneath the waves. Colossal machines loom, mining the depths, disturbing the ocean's peace. The seabed is strewn with plastics, a testament to pollution's reach. A team of scientists is engaged in deep-sea exploration. They closely examine the footage, analyzing the creature's physical features. Each new discovery reveals secrets of the natural world, showcasing the tenacity and diversity of life in the deep sea. From the bustling wildlife of the Amazon's heart to the stark beauty of Antarctica's icy realm, our journey has been vast. Crossing mountains treasured for their diversity, to deserts echoing with life's rhythms, and into the ocean's captivating secrets. These places, bursting with life and beauty, are crucial for inspiration and research. They're the soul that nourishes our spirit, safeguarding our planet's ecological balance and its diverse life. The pristine forests, abundant with diversity, are now scarred lands. Climate change wreaks havoc as vibrant coral reefs face bleaching. The explorer equipped for the journey studies the map. Marks of dedication to conservation pepper the explorer's map. A smile of kinship forms as the explorer and the locals unite. Amid the frigid expanse of Antarctica, a historic moment unfurls. United, nations pledge to protect this untouched land. The explorer surveys the stark terrain, documenting changes. Carefully, the explorer records the depleting water sources. The explorer takes a moment to observe the deep sea.
We must champion the cause for conservation. To see that international laws are set in place for these deep-sea sanctuaries.
Gaze upon the Earth, a delicate orb of life suspended in the vast expanse of space. Let the wisdom learned ripple through you. Unite and protect this splendor for eternity.